The pair giggled as they took shelter underneath a pier and started undressing from head to toe.
How do you like them apples?
Holly joked as she shimmied her chest before running toward the ocean.
I'm ripe and ready,
Zachary shouted as he chased after her into the salty water. Splashing closer to each other, they leaned in for a smooch, urging the other adults on the pier closer to the handrails to get a better look. Holly and Zachary desperately tried to cover their private bits. That is when the pair noticed a stunned bride make her way to the edge of the pier.
I need officers at my daughter's wedding on the pier. It's been interrupted by a pair of skinny dippers.
Turns out everybody noticed. It was embarrassing to be standing there with the cop.
Zachary and Holly were ultimately arrested and booked on disorderly conduct charges. The pair pled guilty in Newberry District Court and paid roughly $300 in fines.